boys and girls, let's kick this thing off.
Oh, you love me on the street but hate me on the tower. Don't really matter, your love lasts an hour. So I love myself instead.
Okay, y'all, so I just got done watching the Teddy Riley versus Babyface versus. That was weird to say. It's called Versus, okay? But I just got done watching it and I have to say that's like the most inspirational thing I've seen in a long time. Come on, Teddy! As a music girl, you know, like music is my whole world. So that's like, it's like, oh, no crying, no crying. But it was like the most inspirational thing that I've seen in a long time. Evan! Back to what we're here for, okay? I don't know, I'm on my period. I'm emotional, shut up. Oh, by the way, welcome to my channel. This is the first video on, well, it should be the first video on Drag 2.0. I think that's what I'm gonna call this channel, 2.0. I mean, like, why not? I'm 20, 2.0, start this channel when I'm 20, it's cute, whatever. But today we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. I don't even know what to call this yet. We're gonna do a makeup tutorial that's by Asia the MUA, aka my best friend, Miss Asia. I won't say her last name, because I don't know if she want that out there, you know what I'm saying? But she's my best friend and my best friend since the 1st grade. So, did I ever know she was gonna become a mom? A mom girl? No, not a mom, a MUA. Did I know she was gonna become an MUA? No, I didn't know. And let me tell you when I really knew she was really good at makeup. High school. Now, elementary school, she wasn't wearing makeup like that. You know, elementary school, well, nobody wear makeup. Well, not a lot of people. School, we didn't go to the same middle school together. We called each other on the phone like every night. This is my dog, y'all. This is my girl. So, y'all ever mess with her, y'all messing with me. That's just that on that, you know? But we're gonna do a makeup tutorial by her. She gave me the thumbs up to do one. And I'm gonna jack it up because I'm a beginner. And you know, that's what us beginners do. First, let me close the door because this is a distraction. I know y'all can see what's out there. Stop looking. Stop looking. Y'all bitches looking at this door. Y'all should be going to follow Asia the MUA on Instagram. Now, what you doing? I don't even know what tutorial I'm gonna do. I didn't pick. I've been busy watching the Versus. It was fire. I got emotional. You remember that. You were here. Do I want to start simple or do I want to go straight to hard? Oh, girl, this is cute. I gotta mute you. Trying to get me copyrighted, Asia? Asia trying to play me once again. Let me watch this video. Alright. She's doing a little purple, a little pink. Oh. Okay, okay. A little darker purple. Do I have these colors? Oh, I'm saying I'm gonna do this. Y'all, she got all the colors in the world. Let me see if I can find some colors that match. Oh, girl, this look hard. But they all probably gonna look hard to me. Oh, girl. What is that, concealer? I think. I don't know. Well, I'll be using this today. Let's see if we got all the colors today. What is this? Top Beauty. All the colors you need. Ooh. Ah. Oh, I'm missing the tutorial. I'm not watching. I need to pay attention. Oh, girl. I don't have none of that stuff you just put on your face. Was that pink? Okay. I'm gonna try with the things that I have. She just smiled at the end. She just, look at her looking at me. She knows I'm not gonna be able to replicate this. She knows it. Apparently, duh, I gotta put on the primer and the foundation and the, I think it's just primer and foundation first. I don't know, I'm gonna try to follow her lead. Primer wise, we're using Fenty Beauty. What is she? Pro Filter. Yes, we're using that instant retouch. soft matte, yeah. And what is this? See, this is how you tell. This is how you know I don't be doing makeup. What is this? This is foundation. I just said what it was earlier. Pro Filter. I'm color 430. That is my color, and I have concealer 430 to match it. Of course. I don't know if that's backwards. Is that backwards? Okay. Oh, I'm messing up. I'm not good at this. Here it is. I'll be back when I have that done. Okay. Okay. I'll sing it for y'all all day, buffering. Oh man, this channel is gonna be fun. You guys, what do you want to see me do in this channel? Oh, y'all better comment. Shoot, and if you plan on sticking around, you better subscribe too, honey. What step is that? Number 1? Woo! Why do I feel lost? Oh shoot, what she do that I didn't do? So let's do our eyebrows then. Where's the eyebrow stuff? So, if y'all see me look like right here, hey, this is the camera, okay? But right here, this is my bathroom mirror, so you just be patient with me, alright? Alright, cool. Like, we can talk to each other. I'm just gonna not be giving you eye contact like I should be. She put concealer on. Yep, she did it way better than I did, you know. Or will do. Give me 1 second. Ooh, pray on it, guys, pray on it. What did she do? Hold on, I am not paying attention. I love you, but I can't. I don't know. I can't keep up. I can't keep up. You know, this shit's about to dry. Let me hurry up. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward a lot throughout this video because, honey, I'm a mess. Yeah, she did that. She did that. That. She hit the camera. She had the concealer on. You did that. Looks like she has eyeshadow primer. I got you, girl. Oh, I felt like, what did I feel like just now? I felt like a beauty guru. They put it on their hand. That was so cute. I had a moment. Oh baby, too much. Ooh, smooth it out. Ooh baby, ooh no baby. Y'all ever be scared to just get makeup on? Like, I do not want to feel that burning sensation. You paint the eyelid. Okay, that's primed. Let's do the other one. I wish I could have music without YouTube copyrighting it. Ooh, I could have my own music. I don't want to listen to me. I'm gonna put some music in this video, I guess, bro. Ooh, excuse me. We're at the coloring part of this fiasco we got going on here. Now this is gonna be something different because I was one of them kids. Music is my thing. I never colored inside the lines, okay? I don't like doing that. You know, why I gotta color the picture that's there when I can make my own picture, you know? But you know, it's okay. Yeah, it's the darkest pink. And she puts it on the eyelid. Wait, what else did she do? She going fast. Ooh, girl. She kind of like mixed pink and purple. It's probably not. It's gonna be as pigmented. She has James Charles. I have Amazon. Yes, balling on a budget. You're having a great day. Can I get a sponsor? Am I Asia yet? Ooh, I don't want a baby pig. Is this a baby pig? Oh, you know what? That might work. I'm not gonna lie. That might work. If y'all ever say makeup isn't an art, you're a liar. You're a liar. And I can't trust you from now on. Ooh. She kind of like painted that mug and things like that. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl, it's looking bad. I also don't really have the right tools for this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really have 2 brushes. Okay? Okay. Ooh. I saw the face I made in the camera. Oh, I forgot the purple. Oh, girl. I'm gonna just put it at the end. Okay, got the purple at the end. Hey, how you doing? I got the Barney. I got the Barney. She kinda did black with the purple. I guess to give it a little more of a smoke. I peeped, Asia, I peeped. Scared I'm gonna mess this up. I feel like I'm gonna mess this up. Okay, when she put the black, she put the black. Oh! Asia. Sis. Okay, I might be able to save it. I might be able to save it. Too much black. I'm gonna put some more purple on that because too much black. I'm trying to contemplate if that's messed up or not. Oh, girl. Ooh, wrong color. Wrong color. Oh no, baby. What is you doing? What's that pink though? I mean, my hot pink. Huh? This is what I was talking about coloring on certain lines. Hey, I wanna shoot, baby. And right from my head into yours. Go look up that song. It's a good song. It's not bad. It's not great. Being Asian is hard. I don't want to do it anymore. She kind of, what do you call it? She shaped it with the concealer. Do I have concealer to shape it with? Yes, I do. But can I do it just like she did? Wait, hold on now. She's an expert. This is expert level stuff. Ooh. 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 Scary times, brothers. Scary times. Oh, ooh, I'm scared. Oh, look at that Christmas. Okay. He's going to be the one to teach me how to do makeup. Yay! What's the next step? What is that? Oh, she's doing the lashes next? Oh my gosh, that is the most difficult part of everything in life. Wait! I'm dropping stuff. I am using 5D Natural and Soft handmade eyelashes. What was her name supposed to be? Belisha. I'm using Belisha. Belisha, man. Looks like I have this INV Mega Hold Individual Eyelash Glue. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Whoever you are watching. Hello. Thank you for stopping by. Why don't you hit that subscribe button while you're ready to know? I hate, y'all understand, I hate this. I hate this part right here. 100 points to everyone who knows that song. Hold on. Look, I will settle for that. That is probably the closest I'm going to get. Hey. Yeah, that's one. You guys. After 20 hours later, I got. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. clapping. They're like, why is she celebrating? Y'all need to clap too, bro. This is hard. Yeah. That's what we're doing right now. I'm just gonna do it just like she did it. I'm just gonna do it just like she did. Oh Lord, I want you to help me. Why am I doing this? I ain't going nowhere. We're quarantining. Oh well. Oh brother. Oh no. Do I know how to do this? Not very well. I don't want to. I have cheekbones though. I can just follow them, I guess. I don't know, girl. Sculpt, illuminate, contour. Blend it, Lord, blend it. This is actually a really good highlighter, okay? Wet n Wild highlighting powder. What color? Precious Petals. Okay, let me show you how good this is. Because I really like it. I mean, I really like it. I just always want to do this too. Wow! Help me on my journey. Ooh, help it. I mean, okay. I might do some little something. Like, oh. Okay. Oh, I got the perfect jumpsuit to put on. Hold on, never mind. It's a job. Okay. Whatever. It's my favorite lip gloss in the entire world. Until I find something better. Oh, is my eyelash lifting? Oh my god. The devil is working today. Y'all, why does this have, what is this? An oil stain. I'll never wear this again. No, I'm too sad. I gotta go find something else to wear with this. I'll be back. Alright you guys, this is the final look. What you think? I think it's pretty. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do this well on it. Not gonna lie to you, I did pretty good. I give myself a little pat. Alright y'all, well thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you Miss Asia the MUA. I'll put all of her information in the description below. Y'all go follow her, y'all go check her out. She's the best, okay? Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and let me know some more things you want me to do on this channel. This is a new channel, so what you want me to do? You know, I'm goofy, I'm down for whatever, so let me know what you want me to do, and I'll see you later. Peace out. This look good. This look good, eh? This look good. This look good, eh? This look good. This look good, eh? This look good. This look good.